Hello, I'm Kenna Johnson from the Channel Company. A spot on CRN's annual report card is a high honor. For the fourth year in a row, Scale Computing ranks number one for edge computing and converged hyperconverged infrastructure. Here with me today to discuss Scale Computing's big win in the ARC this year is Jeff Reddy, CEO of Scale Computing. Welcome and congratulations, Jeff.
Thanks, Kenna. Thanks for having me.
This is the fourth year you've been recognized as a CRN ARC winner. What does this mean for you?
It's a real honor. It's selected by the partners. We work with our partners, thousands of them all over the world, and to have them select us effectively for the categories that we focus on is great because it goes beyond just the product, right? It's about the product, the partnership. We are 100% channel focused, and seeing those partners reciprocate is a great thing.
Why do you think Scale Computing did so well?
I think it starts with our dedication to the channel. I've built the company from the very beginning to be 100% channel. And, that's now over a decade in the making. And so it's not just Scale shows up out of the blue. We've been building this relationship with our partners for a long, long time. And those partners have seen us not only stand behind that partnership, but evolve our products and technology so that they can take their own customers on a journey from traditional infrastructure into hyperconverged infrastructure and now into edge computing.
Scale Computing is doing innovative work around the edge. What is the state of the market and what opportunities does this hold?
If you think about traditional data center or the cloud, you're talking about having thousands of applications on thousands of servers in one or two or three locations. And the edge is the inverted problem. You're talking about thousands of locations with just a few applications typically at each one. And so management is very different. The traditional solutions don't really cut it. And you can see that happening in the marketplace. Broadcom buying VMware is an indication that platform has aged, right? And there's an opportunity for new work, and that's where the Scale solution really fits in. And the other thing about the edge, it's a huge opportunity for partners, right? Partners can now get out there and, in some ways, the on-premises computing infrastructure is cool again, and customers depend on partners to help deliver that.
What does the future of computing look like to you?
Well, it's a little cliche to say that the future is hybrid, but when you think about the cloud and what the cloud really meant, it was this sort of amorphous thing, and applications and computing resources and everything were just sort of out there. And what we've then come to know the cloud as is sort of a centralized data center. The true promise of where things are headed is more of that sort of original vision for the cloud. And so applications should run wherever they make the most sense. And that might be at the edge, that might be in a data center, and that might be in the public cloud. But what you're going to see is software and services and technologies that enable these applications to sort of live in all of those locations simultaneously. And the key is bringing together an infrastructure, a management plane, so to speak, so that if you are in IT, or you're a partner who services customers who are using you for IT, you have one view, right, of all of this. And it all feels like one big environment.
Thank you so much for joining me today, Jeff. And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Scale Computing, visit the website at the bottom of your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.